Hey Eco Explorers, I'm Anna, an educator at the North Carolina Arboretum. Today is a two-part video special. I will share with you the theme of the week and challenge for the BioBlitz badge, as well as share how a photo you take goes from you to Eco Explore all the way to iNaturalist to be helpful with scientific research. So first, we're going to follow the journey of an observation with Eco Explorer Turtle Tracker Harper.
Hi everybody! We're looking for birds in our backyard. There's something. It looks like a... What is it? It looks like it has a white body, and it looks like it has like a black hat, but it doesn't. And also, it has a black beak too. I wonder what it could be. I know what it is. It's a chickadee. But what kind of chickadee? So I don't know. Wait, I think I know what you should do, Harper. What? You should take that iPod and take a picture and send it to Eco Explorer. Great idea, let's do it. Okay, now let's send it to Eco Explorer.
Did you hear that? Come on, follow me. My name is Megan and I work at the North Carolina Arboretum. And it seems like we just got a new observation. So come tag along with me and we're gonna process this new post. This is what the back end of our website looks like, and so volunteers and educators at the Arboretum evaluate the posts that come in through this website. So there are 5 things that we look at when we are processing posts. The first point goes to just kind of making an observation and uploading a picture along with your post. The second one involves taking a clear and in focus picture. The third point that we look for is the species name. A user will get a point if the species name is correct. If it isn't correct, it will be sent to iNaturalist, but they can always win that point back by commenting the correct name. The fourth point goes to whether or not they have selected a hotspot. So there are hotspots all over North Carolina. However, right now, all of North Carolina counts as a hotspot. The fifth point, or the way to earn all 5 possible points, is if your observation is recorded during a field season. So right now we are in botany season, so anything that is a plant would qualify for the botany badge and you would get that extra point. So let's keep processing. Turtle Tracker Harper will be getting 3 points. Once I, as a processor, have checked over everything, make sure my comments are there, that I've swiped everything that needs to be swiped, I will switch the status to published and update it. Then when I go out to our general observations, I can see Turtle Tracker Harper's post. By sending it to iNaturalist, I can view it and see the progress of her post and whether or not people have been commenting or responding to it. So thank you guys for tagging along with me as I process an observation. Hopefully a scientist or wildlife expert can help Turtle Tracker Harper ID this observation she made.
Now let's check in with bird researcher Anthony Squitieri to see what he has to say about chickadees.
Okay, I was just on the phone with my friend and he was telling me about the Eco Explorer project on iNaturalist. It looks like the most recent submission or observation is of a bird and it's been labeled as a Carolina chickadee. I guess right off the bat for this one, considering you can look on the map and see where it was observed, I would say, almost even without looking at a picture, that this would be a Carolina chickadee just because of where we are geographically and in elevation. We do technically have both blackcap and Carolina chickadee here, but the blackcap population is kind of genetically distinct from the northern populations, and they're only found in higher elevation, pretty much the highest elevations around here in western North Carolina. You know, technically the black-capped chickadees are slightly larger in size, and they also have a little more white on their wings as far as field observations go. But luckily for us, the species don't really overlap here in the valley or lower elevations around Asheville. So I'm gonna go ahead now and also suggest an ID and just kind of confirm this and then submit. And then I think at this point it's now an accepted one when there's enough people agreeing on it. Yeah, definitely makes me want to go outside more and submit some stuff to this app. All right, well, I hope everyone's having fun out there, and yeah, see you on the app.
Wow, what a wild ride one observation goes through. And with EcoExplore observations ending up on iNaturalist, this means kids can participate in the City Nature Challenge too. We are now going to dive into Challenge 4 for the BioBlitz badge. This week is fur, feathers, and scales. These different characteristics help define what different animal groups there are, including mammals, birds, and reptiles. Mammals are animals that have fur or hair. Females produce milk for their young, and they're warm-blooded, meaning they can make their own body heat. Some examples of mammals that you'd find in North Carolina include a beaver, a bottlenose dolphin, if you're on the coast, a little brown bat, and you, a human. Birds are animals that are covered in feathers, are warm-blooded, and lay hard-shelled eggs. All birds have wings, but some species can't fly, like a penguin or an emu. Some birds you'd find in North Carolina include a Carolina wren, a pileated woodpecker, and an eastern screech owl. Reptiles are animals that have scales, are cold-blooded, and most lay soft-shelled eggs. Unlike mammals and birds, reptiles cannot generate their own body heat, that's why they're called cold-blooded, and must get their warmth from a different source like the sun. Some reptiles you'd find in North Carolina include an eastern box turtle, a black rat snake, and a 5-lined skink. This week's challenge is really simple. Just get out there and take photos. To celebrate the City Nature Challenge, we are asking our eco-explorers to take at least 15 observations between April 24th through the 27th. These can be any wild organisms you'd find in or around your home.
This is a worldwide BioBlitz where cities are in a contest against each other to see who can document the most biodiversity in their region by uploading their observations of wildlife on iNaturalist over a 4-day period this weekend from April 24th through the 27th. And kids can participate in this event by submitting EcoExplore observations. Last year, 159 cities took part worldwide. To find out more details, you can visit citynaturechallenge.org. We hope to see you participating in the City Nature Challenge this weekend through EcoExplore.
Now it's your turn! By snapping photos of wildlife, you get to have fun and help scientists. Also, tune in to EcoExplore's Facebook Live every weekday at 2 p.m. to see some exploring in action and maybe get a little inspired. Good luck, have fun, keep exploring.